Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.
When I do a dash cam install, I would normally have the car's owner's manual out and open to the fuse box diagram. When I did the Bronco's dash cam, I found out what probably all of you already know. Ford doesn't include a physical owner's manual with the Bronco. All you get is a PDF file. $70,000 and they can't even afford to include a hard copy? Unbelievable. Anyway, if I had to keep referencing this file on my phone or PC, it would end up driving me nuts. So I took some time and made my own fuse box diagram. I think it's laid out better, and I color-coded the fuses, so in my opinion it's easier to use than the owner's manual version. I ended up making two versions. One is just a full-page 8.5 by 11 version you can print for reference, and the other is sized to fit in the fuse box panel, which was my primary goal here. They've been saved as PDF files, and I'll make them available to anyone who wants to use them. See the description below to find the links to the files. I see two options on how to approach fitting this to the fuse box panel. Option 1, you get some Avery brand full-page sticker sheets and make your own sticker to fit on the back side of the fuse box's panel. Or option 2, you could just print it on paper and tape it in there. I'm going with option 2, but with a small twist. I'm going to print and laminate the diagram, and then I'll attach it to the fuse box panel. I want to make it removable for easy reference later. I figured that will be better than trying to read it while laying upside down under the dashboard. I made a sheet with 3 of the diagrams to cut up because I wasn't exactly sure how I wanted to laminate it. Should it be one piece folded, one piece scored and folded, or 2 separate laminated pieces taped together? I know I'm overthinking this. By the way, I already had access to a laminator and laminate pouches at work, but this stuff is not too expensive and comes in handy all the time. I'll include links in the description below for anything I'm using in this video in case you want to do the same thing. So after I chopped up my sheet, I put all the pieces in a laminate pouch. And then ran it through the laminator. Super simple. I then sliced up the laminated sheet, making sure I didn't cut too close to the edges of the paper or else it might delaminate later. On a few of the diagrams, I added Velcro to keep them closed when folded, and some that will be used to secure to the back of the fuse panel. The fuse box is accessed on the driver's side lower panel. You just need to pry the panel out and it will swing down. It's a little tough to get started, so I used a pry tool to help. I just removed the adhesive liners from the Velcro and slapped it on. Super easy. And you can see that it's now easy to take out and reference. Not only will this size fit inside the fuse box panel, but it will also fit in your Bronco toolkit bag. And heck, why not throw another in the glove box? I hope some of you find this diagram I put together useful. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to make one for the engine bay fuse box too. See you later.